In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up for a PayPal account quickly and easily. Whether you want to shop online or send money, PayPal is one of the safest and most trusted platform out there. So let's get started. The first step is choosing the type of account you need. PayPal gives you two options: individual for a personal use or business for managing transactions for a company. For now, I am choosing an individual account. Next, it will ask you for your country. Simply select your country from the drop down menu and click on Next. Now it's time to enter your email address. Make sure it's a valid email address because PayPal use it for sending you notification and updates. Next, enter your phone number. Then you will receive a confirmation code on your phone. Enter that code in the box to verify your phone number and move to the next step. And here you need to create a secure password for your account. Make sure it's strong and something you can remember easily. After that, PayPal will ask you some personal details, including your nationality, your full name, and date of birth. Fill these details carefully and click on Next. And now enter your address. And it may also ask you for your postal code to ensure your location is verified. Once done, click Next. Then it will ask you what you would like to do first: shop online or send money. Select the option that matches your need. Don't worry, you can switch anytime later. To make your account ready for transactions, you can link a debit card. Just enter your card details like card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If you are not ready, you can skip this step and add it later from your dashboard. And finally, you will land on your PayPal dashboard. Here you can see your account summary, recent activities, and other tools like linking a bank account or viewing PayPal offers. You are now ready to shop online, send money, and receive payments. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now set up and ready to use. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below.